Double-hung Windows Metairie, Louisiana, offers homeowners a versatile and stylish option for their homes. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, residents can choose from numerous window frame materials to match their home's aesthetic. Vinyl double-hung windows are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Professional window installers in Metairie ensure that each installation is completed with precision and care, providing long-lasting results. Energy-efficient windows in Metairie are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Insulated glass windows are a key component of energy-efficient window solutions, helping to maintain indoor temperatures and reduce the need for heating and cooling. Window energy ratings are an important consideration when selecting new windows, as they indicate the window's ability to insulate and conserve energy. Double-hung window benefits include improved ventilation and ease of cleaning, making them a practical choice for any home. Double-hung Windows Metairie provide homeowners with the opportunity to upgrade their windows to more modern and efficient options. Custom window solutions are available to meet the unique needs and preferences of each homeowner. Local window contractors in Metairie offer a range of services, from window design consultation to window repair services. Whether you're looking for affordable window options or high-end custom designs, Metairie Window Replacement Services have you covered. Window repair Metairie services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. From window sealing and caulking to addressing window hardware options, professional window repair services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Window maintenance services in Metairie help extend the lifespan of your windows, preventing costly replacements and ensuring optimal performance. Double-hung Windows Metairie include a variety of window glass types and window safety features. Homeowners can choose from different double-hung window dimensions to fit their specific needs. Double-hung window upgrades are available to enhance the performance and appearance of existing windows. Window design consultation services in Metairie help homeowners select the best window options for their homes, taking into account factors such as style, functionality, and energy efficiency. Affordable windows in Metairie provide cost-effective solutions for homeowners looking to improve their homes without breaking the bank. Vinyl double-hung windows. Metairie are a popular choice for those seeking affordable and durable window options. Residential window services in Metairie cater to a wide range of needs, from new installations to repairs and maintenance. Local window contractors in Metairie are experienced in providing high-quality services to meet the diverse needs of the community. Window frame materials. Metairie options include wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Double-hung window brands. Metairie offer a variety of choices for homeowners, ensuring that there is a perfect fit for every home. Window glass types. Metairie include options such as tempered, laminated, and low-E glass, each providing different levels of safety and energy efficiency. Window safety features Metairie are an important consideration for families, offering peace of mind and protection.